So the first thing that I like applying when I'm going to like Disney or like any park is applying a primer. So I'm using this Professional from Benefit. My face tends to get oily, so I like applying a little bit of this on my face so I can later apply either just some powder or a foundation, and this closes all my pores and makes my face look a little bit more matte. Then for foundation, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. Usually when I go to the place, I just like using some like setting powder, but this time I have like this thing right here on my nose, and that's because I was on my bed and I was lying down, and then I was on my phone and it dropped right on my face, so I have to cover this up. So I'm using this foundation from Tarte, and this has been one of my favorite foundations. Before this one I had the Urban Decay, I don't remember what it was, but it was Urban Decay foundation, and it worked for a while, but then I started getting acne and like breakouts, so I stopped using it. And then I recently tried the Huda Beauty, and it does smell nice and it leaves your face really nice, but I feel like the colors are not very accurate. I feel like my face looked very orangey, so I didn't like that one. Now for concealer, I'm also using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is a travel size because honestly I never finish any products, so I'd rather just buy the travel sizes. Applying this under my eyes on a triangle shape, and also on this thing on my nose that I have right here. Now because this is gonna be a really long day, I just like doing my eyebrows and eyelashes. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Definer. And then like I said, I just need to do my eyelashes. So for my eyelashes, I'm using the Lancome Sills Booster mascara, and first I use like this white primer, and this also makes my lashes look a little bit longer and with more volume. Usually for my like everyday makeup, I use an eyeliner or a little bit of eyeshadow, but this is gonna be like a long day, and usually in Florida the days are very hot, so I don't like using a lot of makeup for like parks, but today it's a good day, so it's kind of cold, it's kind of chilly with a lot of wind, so I could use eyeliner or eyeshadow if I wanted to, but I just want to go for something more simple. I also like applying a little bit of highlighter, and I'm using this Pixie Glow Cake highlighter from Pixie by Petra, and I want to say thanks to them for sending me this product. They sent it to me for like around Christmas, and then they sent me another package of like skincare products, so I'm going to be doing a video about that very soon, so be on the watch out for that. And a little bit on my nose. And finally for lipstick, I'm using this Chanel lipstick in the shade Rouge Cocoa 452 Emilienne. And this is kind of like a red lipstick, but it also has like a little bit of shimmery. And we're good to go, and now let's go to the outfit. And finally for my outfit, I'm wearing this leggings from Pink. I'm wearing my Converse, this long sleeve shirt from Forever 21.